CPQ for manufacturing is where most off-the-shelf quoting tools quietly break. If you configure real products, with materials, tolerances, and routing, here's why and what to do about it. Manufacturing quoting isn't picking from a menu. It's rules, which options are compatible, how a material change ripples into cost when a configuration isn't buildable at all. Generic CPQ assumes clean catalog SKUs, and your world isn't clean. So the tool fights you. Your engineer's real constraints don't fit the vendor's option model, so the rules end up in spreadsheets and someone's head outside the system that's supposed to hold them. Pricing breaks the same way. Volume breaks, scrap, setup fees, machine time, customer-specific terms. The vendor's engine wasn't built for your cost structure, so someone overrides it by hand. That's where margin leaks and quotes get slow. What manufacturing actually needs is a quoting system that encodes your rules and your cost model. So a valid, priced, buildable quote comes out every time, from anyone, in minutes. You can have exactly that without a vendor and without a dev team. You build your own CPQ with AI agents. You describe how you actually configure and cost a job, the compatibility rules, the material math, the approval tiers, and a team of AI agents builds a production-grade quoting system around it. A real configurator, your pricing engine, branded quotes, and you own it. It fits your process because it's built from your process, not bent to fit a catalog someone else designed. Off-the-shelf CPQ can work for simple, catalog-style products. But if configuring your product takes real engineering judgment, stop forcing it into a generic tool, build one that knows how you build. That's what Customware does. Book your demo at customware.ai.